Hello and welcome back. Today I will show you new feature. We can choose mockups. So let's go to the home page, right side menu, and click Create a Design and choose Presentations. Now let's go to the left side menu, Templates, and here we can choose Layouts. There is new Canva feature available for Pro account. And here we can choose any mockup and we can easily create our presentation. I hope you like this tutorial. Click like, subscribe, and if you don't have Canva Pro account, you can try it for free for 30 days. Click my affiliate link in the description. And if you want to learn more, check my new extensive Canva Master course on udemy.com. See you next time.